this is Ms. Rawan Habli talking from Al Ittihad National Private School. So this short video is going to be about the cognitive theory, which is one of the many approaches out there, learning approaches that we're going to be talking about later on in some other videos. So cognitive theory, you know, Piaget just has to pop into your mind whenever you say that, doesn't he? Because Piaget is known to be the father of the cognitive theory, learning theory. So cognitive learning theory basically looks at the way people think. As simple as that. The word cognitive already speaks for itself. The mind, cognition, the mind. So these mental processes are an important part in understanding how we learn. So knowing how your child or your student mentally processes the information given to him is actually the first step of figuring out his or her own unique learning style, right? So Piaget actually focuses on environments and internal structures in how they impact learning. So basically, the cognitive theory suggests that internal thoughts along with external factors or forces are both an important part of the cognitive process. And as students understand how their thinking impacts their learning and behavior, only then they are able to have more control over it. So when we as teachers can give students opportunities to ask questions, to fail, to even think out loud, we're mainly helping students understand how their thought processes work and utilize this knowledge to construct better learning opportunities. Bearing in mind that teachers must be fully aware of a child's cognitive development at different ages. You see, basically a 6-year-old child would not know, wouldn't have the ability to actually apply certain math, let's say, functions to the real world yet, but a 9-year-old might. And again, I said might, because it all depends on the external and internal factors in that child's case. So cognitive learning isn't about memorizing or repetition or whatever. It's about developing true understanding. It's about learning how to learn. And when the teacher helps a student in figuring out how best he learns, then that's what teaching is all about, isn't it? So how does the teacher help a student figure out his learning style? Easy. Some strategies would include asking students to reflect on their own experience, helping students find new solutions to problems, encouraging discussions about what is being taught, helping students explore and understand how ideas are connected. You see, all of this is a cognitive process. So you even have asking students to justify and explain their thinking. As easy as that. What are you thinking? Tell me, why are you thinking this way? All of these, using visualizations to improve students' understanding and recall. All of these are strategies used under the big title, the cognitive learning approach. So this was the video for today. Thank you so much.